Hey guys, welcome back to my channel for another delicious dish. Look at these lovely ingredients. I bet you can't guess what we're going to be making today. If you want to find out, let's jump into the kitchen. Don't forget to wash your vegetables before you start chopping. Let's get chopping. I'm trying to keep this dish as authentic as I can, so I'm using green bell peppers instead of red. I'm using beef tomatoes and I'm using very small cucumbers, and I'm also keeping it very chunky. Time to add all the other ingredients, and first we're going to start with 2 tablespoons of red wine vinegar, followed by 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil. Now for some capers to add a bit of lemony, floral tartness to the dish, and some mixed olives. Add a teaspoon of salt, followed by some black pepper and some dried oregano. Now it's time to mix it all up and infuse all those delicious flavors. Here comes the star of the show, feta cheese. Yes! Add a dash more olive oil over the feta cheese, and for a bit more garnish, some more oregano. For a bit of a kick, add some dried chili flakes. To enhance the flavors even more, let it sit in the fridge for about half an hour. Trust me, it will be delicious.